Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can test your website chatbot over the landing page. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account, and once you are logged in, simply choose the bot that you want to test. Let's say I have this bot 18. Now how to test it? I will simply click on edit your chat flow. Once I click on edit your chat flow section, I will get all the flows that I have created on this bot. Then in order to test any flow, I will click on the flow that I want to test, and on the top right hand side corner I will get this test option. I will click on it and choose landing page. Alright, so once the landing page is open, the flow that I have configured, it will start coming up. So let's say it says welcome to Bot Penguin, we are here to help you. What is your email ID? I can type in the email ID here, and then it will ask me the name, test, phone number. I can type anything, and thank you. So this was the flow that I have configured. This is how you can test the website chatbot over your landing page in the Bot Penguin platform. Right? That's all about this whole video. In case if you have any doubt or any queries regarding the same, please reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing Bot Penguin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.